waste of time. I know I like it when you hold me, but do I wanna call you mine? I swear I'm not trying to lead you on. I promise I'm not lying, I don't know what I want. And I swear I've been weighing these pros and cons, but I'm still nowhere closer to saying what we're not. Do I like you, or do I like the attention? Do I like that you see me when no one else does? Do I like that it's easy to figure you out? If I can have you now, then easy's what I'm about. I think you might be the wrong person, but you found me at the right time. And I don't wanna leave you hurting, so I've been keeping you in mind. I wish I could tell you just how I feel, but I'm just so conflicted I can't tell you what's real. I'm trying to find Cupid, so it's my heart I'll steal, but all these bows and arrows still haven't revealed if I like you, or if I like the attention. If I like that you see me when no one else does. If I like that it's easy to figure you out. If I can have you now, then easy's what I'm about. Do I want you, or do I want the commitment? Do I like that you need